Okay, so a package from Amazon COZA just arrived on the studio. Now, one thing that is better than buying online is buying online when there's a sales going on. That's why we have a package right here in front of us. Now, Amazon COZA has a sale going on right now. They're calling it the Big Smile Sale. Maybe that's why I'm all smiling right now. Now, this sale is gonna be going from the 20th of June to the 30th of June, basically 10 days, but by the time you're watching this video, there might be only few days left. I'm actually looking for my unboxing knife. There might be a few days left, so you gotta hurry up and go see if there is something that you actually need from Amazon COZA. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna be unboxing my package and we're gonna be trying out what's inside. Buying it was actually pretty straightforward, especially the checkout process. The checkout process when it comes to Amazon COZA tend to be really smooth. Now, this unfortunately wasn't the first time I bought from Amazon COZA, but if it's your first time buying, you actually gonna be getting, I think, 200 rands off from your first purchase, if I'm not mistaken. So sales off for the first time. If I were you, I would actually download the Amazon app real quick so I don't miss this sale. So that's the first thing that I bought. This is a Belkin boosted charge USB-C to USB-C 2-pack cable. I think they're actually 1 meter a cable. And obviously, as a companion to those cables, I bought a power brick. Now, this is a 2-port power brick, so I can actually charge 2 devices at a time using this guy. And Belkin, it's actually a really well-known brand that I say you guys must go and try if you're looking for something to actually charge your devices. So let's go through these packages. Let's unbox actually this one first. These are the cables. You always, when unboxing, this is unboxing 101. You first start with the lesser package or lesser object, probably in terms of prices. So you start from the cheaper one to the most expensive one. That's how you unbox. Unboxing 101. All right, so seems like I might actually need that knife, and we're going to use my secret wooden knife. Hopefully this will do the trick, or else we just go away. There we go. So we managed to open this one. Let's see how this packaging is. Now, this one here, just to give you more information on the cable itself, this is a charging USB cable. It's braided and it accepts up to, or in terms of transfer, it's capable of transferring up to 60 watts. Now, I do have some cables that are actually up to 200 watts, but not all my devices actually support 200 watts fast charging, unfortunately. Okay, so inside the box, you have the cables themselves. Packaging, not the best. I've actually unboxing. I'd give packaging maybe a 7.5 out of 10. You have the 2 cables here. I like the fact that they're actually using sort of this paper thingy. They're trying to be environmentally friendly. Let's just open a single one so we can see the length of the cable. There we go. This is how long the cable is. What I was taught to measure is this should be 1 meter. So the length of one arm till the other shoulder is 1 meter. But I mean, I'm tall, so that might not apply to some of you guys. Let's put this one on the side for now and then go to the main unboxing of this video. This is the Boost Charge Dual Wall Charger. There were a lot of other things that are on sale, but they were sort of above my budget right now. One device that I would actually get that's currently on sale is a Sony M4. You know how Sony headphones have those funny name, but the version 4 of those headphones are on sale right now. If I'm not mistaken, they sort of 30 if not 20% off, and there's also a lot of Sennheiser devices that are actually on sale right now. But unfortunately, my budget right now only afforded me to get this one. Hopefully, my budget increases before the 30th of June, which is when this sale ends. And I'm gonna be able to go back there and try and cop those Sony headphones. But for now, we need to be grateful for what we did manage to buy. If you guys actually participate on the sales, I want you guys to go down in the comments and let me know what you end up buying. Now, obviously, there aren't only tech things on sale. There are other category of items on sale, including beauty, home style, and a few others. So if you're watching this tech video and tech is not your thing, Amazon CEOs a Day got you covered on this sale as well, and even when there are no sales. Okay, so unboxing, still give it a 7.5 out of 10. The device is right here. I didn't really read much what this guy does on the box. I like the build quality of this thing. It's hefty, and I like my accessories in white. Okay, some of the features or specs of this guy: fast charge your iPhone from 0 to 50 in 25 minutes charge, and iPad from 0 to 50 in 40 minutes. I want to know how much in wattage this guy supports. I know it supports PD fast charging. Okay, 20 watts per USB-C port, delivering a 40 watts combined. Okay, so you can charge two devices using this guy simultaneously, delivering a 40 watts charge, but individually you'll charge 20 watts, which is actually, I think, the maximum charge that a regular iPhone actually takes. So let's put this guy on the side. Okay, so we have this guy here, and basically all it's left for us to do is to see if it's going to charge our device. Okay, so we have our handy dandy power plug here. Hopefully it's connected right there. Handy dandy power plug. Need to plug that one there, and then obviously we plug this one here, and we charge the iPhone 15, and voila, it's charging. Straightforward, no hassle, no stress. As I mentioned, it's charging. And you can charge a secondary device by plugging. I'm actually not gonna open this guy here. I'm gonna leave it for reserve since I have a couple of these cables lying around. The reason I bought more is because I have more devices coming in. So I'm gonna end up needing more cables. So let's use this beautiful green cable here to charge. The reason also I'm using this one is so I can see at what speed is gonna be charging the device, just to make sure this guy here is actually legit, or to make sure the specs that they claim need to charge are actually legit. So let's use my iPad here, also running in iPad OS 26, latest and greatest. Let's put the brightness a bit down there, and let's plug. Bam, it shows that how many amps is charging, and it shows that it's charging it at 19 watts, and there we go. So it's not exactly obviously 20 watts because of the resistance. I think they call it resistance of the cable. It actually charges a little bit of wattage, but it's doing what it needs to do. The iPad is charging, as you guys can see right there. If you can actually see, let's lift it up and show you guys properly. Charging. Okay, iPad charging, iPhone charging. Alright, so this will be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.